Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation, and we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and focus on this part inside this parentheses. And here I have copied it down, and now we can see they can be reduced to this is 1 and this is going to give us 5. So therefore this could be written as 1 plus 1/5. And if we simplify further, this reduces to 6 divided by 5. So therefore this left hand side base has been simplified to 6/5. And now let's focus on the right hand side. And here I have copied it down. Now we can see that this 1296 could be written as 6 power 4, and likewise 625 could be written as 5 power 4, as you can see in this next step. And now we can write this fraction as 6 divided by 5 whole power 4. So therefore this right hand side fraction has been simplified to this one. So therefore we can write this equation as the left hand side. I can write this inside this parentheses. I'm going to replace it by 6 divided by 5. Let me go ahead and write down 6 divided by 5 power n equals to this right hand side fraction. I'm going to write in this form. I can write 6 divided by 5 whole power 4. And now we can see that our bases on both sides are same. So therefore we can equate our exponents as well. So therefore our n value turns out to be simply 4. So thus our solution n turns out to be 4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.